it's Isla from Rainbow Island, and in today's video we are gonna do slime. Just like in the other slime video, we are going to have the same ingredients, the same way to make slime, just with different glue. Instead of using the indigo glue, today we are using Elmer's glue. This is Elmer's color changing glue. And when it's in the room, it is blue. But when it's in the sunlight from the sun, it changes to purple. That's how it is color changing. And again, this is Elmer's. So that's one product. Next, again, 2 spoons, a mixing bowl, a cup filled with water, and borax. So let's get on with the first step. So take your first spoon, put it into the borax, and grab some of the borax and put it in your cup and mix until dissolved. Next, we're going to pour our glue into our mixing bowl. So let's do that. Here we go, putting the Elmer's glue into our bowl. This is we're making regular slime today, not a certain kind of slime, just regular old slime with color changing glue. Okay guys, so the borax is all dissolved. Next, let's start pouring it into the slime. Let's put my spoon in and take 1 spoonful. Oh, and guys, don't forget to use a placemat when you're doing this because it can be messy. So I'm mixing it and it's really starting to come together, but it feels like slime. It's getting thicker, but I think it needs some more borax. Okay guys, so I did 2 more because I already did 2 when we cut the video for that part, but now I've done 2 more and it looks like it's coming together, but it might take a few more spoonfuls, I'm guessing. But this is what the consistency looks like. It's super thick, but it looks super sticky. So I'm gonna keep mixing with the borax. Now I'm gonna do another spoonful. So let's keep going and let's see what happens now. Whoa, it's really sticky at the bottom. I'll have to put some at the bottom now. Oh, got a few bit in my hair, but it's hard to see. It's not sticky or anything. I'll have to have a bath after this. So here's teaspoons 7 and 8. I did 6, this is 7, now I'm doing 8. Let's mix up my slime. So we mix with our hands when it's a slime-like consistency and when it's not too sticky. But before you put your hands into the slime, don't forget to put a tad bit of borax on to your hands, because if it's still sticky and you don't have borax, your slime will stick to you massively. So I'm gonna put some borax on my hands. Once these 2 spoonfuls are done, well, I think I can put it down because it looks pretty well. So I think I'm gonna put in my hands now, but it's a little sticky. So I'm gonna just dip my hand just like that into the borax. Put my hands in. Ooh, it's looking good. Feels nice. It's like a slime-like consistency. It's not too stretchy though. I'm gonna knead it and knead it and knead it for the process, and hopefully it will turn into good slime. Then we can see how it is outside in the sun, which is a super sunny day to do this process because we need sun so it can color change. But overall, it's really good. Not too stretchy though. Kind of have to stretch it super slowly. Kind of have to mold it and then stretch. As you can see, it's not very stretchy, but I think overall, super good. So, I'll see you guys outside where we can test to color change. Bye. Okay guys, so we're outside and here is our slime. So let's go out into the sun and see if it turns purple. that it says it changes to. It is! Check it out how fast it's color changing. And when I rip it, check out how fast. Boom! It's already purple. It's color changing. Do you see that, guys? Oh my goodness, watch that color change. We're spreading it open and it's like blue, but then it turns instant purple. Blue, purple, instant. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!